Hello everyone to my introductory video to Elite Dangerous. I'd like to give a shout out to DJ Camp for buying me this game. I already played this game a little bit just so I know what I'm doing a little bit for the video. So let's jump into it. I do have a better ship. The one you see there is the one I currently have. Um, Other than the starter ship, I bought two others. I got the Eagle fully upgraded, and this is the Viper Mark IV. Alright, it seems this is where I was last.
DeLacy, November, Oscar. Station services are prepped for your arrival. Greetings, Commander.
Alright, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the starport that I'm at right now, Haisheng Orbital. And I'm going to show you the starport first before I get too much into it. If I just remember which side I enter the starport on. This is one of the most confusing starports because it's just a giant circle, octagon, whatever the hell you want to call that thing.
Make way for oncoming traffic. Restrict your speed.
Over here in the contacts, you have to request docking.
Permission authorized. Proceed to landing pad 01.
Landing gear deployed.
Fly responsibly. Ensure you complete docking procedures within your allotted time window. Fly smart.
Touchdown confirmed. Thrusters offline. Deploying ground services. Welcome to our station, Commander.
Alright, this is the overlay when you're at a starport. You can repair, refuel, you can restock, depending on what you got. Contacts, whenever you kill people that are wanted, usually that are AI, you can collect your bounty money here. Shipyard, the Sidewinder, this is what you start with. And I have an Eagle class, and I do have a hauler, but I didn't have it for very long because I upgraded right away. And I have the Viper Mach 4. This is what I'm flying right now. As you can see, it has top speed, boost speed, maneuverability, shields, armor, and cargo capacity, and a hull mass. Now I'll go to the outfitting. Okay, now they did change this. Wow, they changed this a lot. What in the world? There was an update which I just finished. Total power that my power supply can generate is 12 megawatts. When retracted and deployed is how much power I'm using when my guns are deployed or not deployed. Hard points are your weapons. As you can see, I have 2 burst lasers and, well, 4 burst lasers. These are F2 and these are G1 burst lasers. Internal, you got your bulkheads, your power plant, thrusters, warp drive, life support, sensors, fuel tank. Seems like they even took some stuff out. Oh no, they just moved it to different sections, like optional internal. We got cargo racks, discovery scanners, and all kinds of stuff with that. Commodities market is for mining, like you got chemicals, consumer items, food, machinery, medicine, minerals, technology, textiles, waste, and weaponry. Actually, it looks like a lot of stuff isn't even here. I don't get it. This must be the only things that are on demand as for minerals, because there was like 10, 15 different minerals before. Must just be where I'm at right now. But I'll exit that, and I'm gonna show you all the universe, well, the galaxy map. This is where I'm at right now, Noatica system. As you can see, I can view the system map of this specific system. It has a sun, a bunch of planets, and this right here is where I'm at, the Haisheng Orbital Station. These are all the other planets that are here, and that's just the one system. As I zoom out, look at all the other systems nearby. The lines represent your path to get to each system. Some ships have different capabilities as for how many light years they can travel at one time, so that will depend on your path to different systems. But as I zoom out, it just gets insane and more insane, and as I get way out, it really gets insane. Now I'm going to take you on a tour just through the middle of the galaxy, because this is just really cool. Now I'm just going to hold down W, well, tap it more or less. And as you can see, there are literally billions and billions of systems throughout the galaxy. And you can actually visit every single one of them. Of course, assuming you actually live long enough to play the game enough to visit every single system, which I don't think you can. Because what I've already showed you is just a tiny, tiny, tiny little piece of the galaxy. And even here in the outer rim of the galaxy, you zoom in and like there's thousands of stars just out here. Well, not stars, entire systems. Like, the scale of this game is absolutely insane. And the place I start at, it's right here. It is basically on the outer rim, which is actually where Earth is as well. You see right there, let me zoom out, Sol, S-O-L, that is our solar system. I'll zoom out so you can see where it is in the galaxy. See the galaxy, Sol is right here. It's actually kind of on the outer rim of the galaxy. I can type in Sol because the graph, like as you zoom out you see the graph turns into a graph, into a graph, and into a graph, and into a graph. That's the scale it has to go into. See how when I click on Sol the graph lowers, and there's Sol as I view the system map of Sol. There's the Sun. You got Mercury, Venus. Okay, look what it is. It's Earth. It's Earth. And you got Mars, the asteroid belt. You got Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and the far outer planets. You even have all the moons. Whenever I first downloaded this game, I literally spent about an hour straight just going through the galaxy and looking at all these systems. Like, I could just click on one and it'll bring the scale to that level. And then look, you can literally visit every single system in this entire galaxy. You can visit all of them. Every one of them you can visit. The scale of this game is absolutely insane. Granted, it'll take you probably a week of playing the game just to get out this far into the galaxy. And when you do, it'll literally be impossible for other players to find you. So, you know, if you really wanted to, you could hide if you really wanted to. But I'm going to get back to the system I'm in right now and show you some combat. I'm going to go to the system map, which shows around where I'm at. The Noatica system. Again, I am at Haisheng Orbital. I actually don't need to go to this right now. I'm going to launch. Over here you can see your status with the Federation and the Alliance, the Empire. You can set weapons to fire groups, modules.
Shift detach complete. Clear for departure.
Landing gear retracted.
Station operates a zero-tolerance policy.
Alright, now over here I'm going to... Right here you can see the locations within this system. I'm going to go to a resource extraction site which is hazardous, which means there are no police protecting the miners, which means that there are usually pirates in that area, which is a good way to get bounty money.
Shift drive charging.
You charge and jump to Super Cruise.
4, 3, 2, 1. Engage.
Now, if you look near the radar on the right side, the lowest speed in Super Cruise is 30 kilometers per second. Now, as I slowly increase my speed, you'll see it goes into the hundreds of kilometers per second. Once it gets to 1,000 kilometers per second, it goes to megameters per second. We're almost at 5 megameters a second. 7, 8, 9, 10. Like, we're just cruising right now. You'll see the lines that are out there. Those are the orbit paths. Now you see we're going into a C, that is light speed. 1.0 in C is light speed. 30 megameters per second is 10% of light speed. But we're gonna slam on the gas now, because we are 45 light seconds away from the extraction site. That means light speed for 40 seconds, or whatever the distance is. Alright, I'm just passing light speed. Almost. Now, once you hit light speed, you start really zooming. We're 2 times light speed, almost 3 times light speed. I'm coming in really, really fast. I need to slow down a little bit. I'm gonna stay about 1 times light speed. And I'm getting a little close. I'm gonna have to slow it down pretty soon. About 12% light speed should be good for the moment. But these massive asteroid belts is where you mine a lot of resources. Alright, I'm getting really close, so I'm going to start slowing it down a lot. I am going to go pretty close to the asteroids, just so you can see how many there are. Again, I cannot express the scale of this game, how insane it really is. Alright, heading toward the extraction site. Now I'm going to look up. Every little speck is an asteroid. As I just look to the sides, the number of asteroids up there is just insane. Well, now it's down there. I'm gonna... Oh, I didn't mean to speed up that fast, jeez. But, like, even right now I'm going so fast along this asteroid belt. But really, I'm barely even moving. I'm only going 280 kilometers a second. When you think of space, that's actually not very fast. Yeah, it's going to take me forever just to get on that part of the asteroid belt going this speed. So I'm going to speed up a little bit more. Just look how fast I'm going past these asteroids. slow down. I'm gonna overshoot it. Yep, I overshot my target. Not by a whole lot though, so I'm gonna spin it around. Alright, only 3 megameters away, so that's not too bad. Just go up to a few hundred kilometers a second and I'll be there in no time. Alright, now I'll slow it down. Safe disengage is ready. So I'll disengage from Super Cruise. And here I am. Do gotta beware of those randomly flying asteroids though. Alright, I am 25 kilometers from the extraction site. If you look to the right of my little ship thing, you see a system, engine, and weapon thing. They're a bar with a notch under them. You can set more power into your engine, which will allow you to go a little faster. You can set more power into your weapons, so that you can... You see the burst lasers have a charge on them. That allows it to charge faster. If I take all power off,
Scan detected.
they recharge very slow. If I put all my power into my systems, then my shield generator will regenerate my shield faster. But if you press down, it'll balance them out. But like for combat, you want all on weapons and one on engine and systems. Not only does the engine allow you to go faster, but if you look at my speed about 285, if you press tab, it'll use some of that engine power to give you a boost, and then that engine bar regenerates faster if you have more points on engine. Alright, so now I'm in the asteroid belt. I'm gonna search for some pirates. I got some targets over here on my radar. Type 9 heavy, it looks like it's extracting resources. It's not wanted, so it's not a pirate. What do we got here? We have a Python, scanning. He's wanted. Alright, we can take on this Python. Let me put some power into my weapons, and we will take on this Python. Also, a very important thing when you're fighting people... Oh, he just killed him. Over here, sub-targets. You can target his power plant, which will... If you take out his power plant, he can't move or shoot.
Scan detected.
Oh, he's scanning me. He's seeing if I have any cargo worth stealing, which I don't. See, another dream of riches dashed. As he goes away, you damn pirate, you're about to get yours. And lighten him up. Seems I'm just doing circles around him. I might need to lower my engine power even more just to get behind him.
Under attack.
Damn it. The ship turns so slow.
Shields offline. Taking damage. Module malfunction. Hull integrity critical.
Yeah, that ship is a lot stronger than
Eject.
I probably
Eject.
should take.
Eject.
But whenever you die, you can rebuy your ship. I probably shouldn't have taken on a ship that powerful. That probably is on me. It was an epic fail, everyone. Epic fail. But for the most part, that's the game. So I'll end this introductory video here, and hopefully I'll